How to use Adobe Photoshop Express. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you an easy way to get started if you're a beginner with your Adobe Photoshop Express on your mobile device. So first thing what I want you to do is just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed this application and just open the application just like this. So you can actually edit a lot of things over here, like you can capture the live camera photo over here, or you can also edit a photo, video, or collect a photo as well. So let me just click on this image for a sample, and you can actually do a lot of stuff like this. As you can see, first thing what you can do is just select our filter options just like this to enter our filter, or just increase the audacity opacity just like this. So you can also choose the adjustment button over here to actually adjust the brightness, your color mix option, split tone option, just like this. So once you have satisfied with that, you can also actually try out version of saturation, hue and luminance options over here as well. So once you do that, you can tap on this heal button to, and you just have to tap or drag on the areas of the photo to remove the blemishes. So once you do that, you can, once you're satisfied with that, you can also actually crop the photo on the level of size that you want, just like this. So once you do that, you can also undo from over here. You can also select the themes based on your photo or seasons, just like this. So if you don't want, you can actually remove them by simply tapping on this undo button over here, and you can actually smooth out the images by simply choosing this option and pointing out the where in the image you want to smooth the image, just like this. As you can see, I am doing all of on the faces of these players. You can also choose the opacity to set to high or low, so you can also increase or decrease the face size or width, just like this. As you can see over here, you can do a lot of the stuff like increasing the width or decreasing it as well. So if you don't like it, you can always undo it. So you can reshape the shape face size as well and use a lot of stuff just like this. You can also draw, you can also add a text overlay background, just like this. So if you are satisfied with that, you may click on this save button or download button to save your newly edited image on your device. So that was it guys. That is how you can easily and quickly edit your photos and use Adobe Photoshop Express on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.